Hi, I'm Sandy Schreck for LBR Educates, and today we're going to take a look at a hand-tied bouquet that could be used for bridal, and we're going to create a simple wire armature. I know this looks pretty complicated, but you're going to see that it's a really easy process. This was one roll of the aluminum wire, and I cut it into 3 sections. If you count out the loops, it's 8.5 sections on it. And so I'm going to come in here and just take this bottom and come over one direction and then the other, and that forms my handle. So we're at that. So the first piece, you kind of spread them out here, and so this one I'm going to bend forward, this one I'm going to bend back, that one leave in the center, forward, back, and just a little bit separated. So you can see how easily that armature is created. So we're going to start with this. Many times we see people right now looking for like the pink mink protea, something that's quite large, and it really is hard to get it to kind of feel like it's part of the bouquet. And here, using this armature and doing the hand-tied process, we're going to be able to have it feel like it's more of a part of a great style hand-tied bouquet. So we'll just put that together.